Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Salesforce Sales Cloud campaigns step by step clearly. First, log into your Salesforce Sales Cloud account. Navigate to the app launcher in the top left corner of the screen. Search for and select campaigns. Click the New button to create a new campaign. Fill in the required fields, starting with the campaign name. Select the appropriate campaign type from the drop-down menu. Choose the status of your campaign, such as planned or in progress. Define the start and end dates for your campaign. Add any relevant budget information as necessary. You can include a description to provide more context about the campaign. Next, scroll down to the Campaign Members section. Here, you can add leads or contacts who will participate in the campaign. Click the Add Leads button to include leads in your campaign. Select the leads from the list and click Next. Review your selection, then click the Add button. If needed, you can also add contacts by clicking the Add Contacts button. Once again, select the appropriate contacts and click Next. Review and add. You can manage your campaign's progress using the Manage Campaigns section. Set specific goals and KPIs for your campaign's success. Use the Reporting tab to track your campaign's progress over time. After you've entered all details, click Save to finalize the campaign setup. Your campaign is now live and can be managed and tracked through Salesforce. Remember to regularly check the analytics for performance insights. This will help you adjust strategies and improve future campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.